So now that we're finished with the color, I'm gonna start the extensions. This is her finished color. It looks gorgeous. We're just gonna add a few bundles for fullness. I'm doing the Hairshop's 808 Keratin. It's just a keratin bond. So I'm just gonna show you how I do that. So now that I've put half of her hair here and to the front, forward from the ear, I'm just gonna take a section from the back. So I'm just gonna put in a few bundles back here. That way it's away from her face. She can still wear her hair up, but she definitely will notice the fullness in her length.
Ashley, what are your most commonly asked questions when you have somebody coming in for their first time to get extensions?
So you were with me your first time. So the most commonly asked question I would say is like, can I wear my hair up? And the answer is yes. They're literally like, you cannot feel them or see them. So it's really nice because other extension methods, you can't wear your hair up or you have to wear a low pony. With this method, you can. That's the number one question I get asked. And then the second question would be, how long do they last? And with this method in particular, it lasts anywhere from like 3 to 5 months, depending on care. And the care really boils down to like just brushing your hair. As easy as that. Also not putting too much conditioner too high up where the bonds kind of slip out. So that's probably my two most asked questions. As you can see, it's now thicker, fuller. You cannot see where the extensions are. You can wear them in a ponytail. Can't see anything. Completely blends with the hair. You can brush it. You can't even see it. Her hair's so long. Yep. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So over this section, the front area, I like to angle it like slightly. Just so when she puts her hair up, they're not this way, they're more angled. And that'll make it nicer for when she puts her hair up.
Yeah, if I do any hairstyle for the wedding, it'll be like just pieces in the front pulled back.
Pulled back,
you
yeah.
know?
Yeah. So I'm gonna start like a little bit behind the ear, and then I'm gonna come all the way forward from there with 3 inches or 3 finger spaces in between. That's where I'll stop. I'm just about to finish up here. We've done 2 bundles of the Keratin by Hairshop, the 808. I'm gonna basically just finish up here, do a little cut, and then you can tune into my Instagram or onto my blog at ashleymariecolor.com and check out the finished look.